Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, in today's video, I will teach you about HTML styles. HTML style is a basically an HTML attributes which we studied in a style in attributes lecture. So if you don't watch this lecture, then go to my channel Iron Tech and go to playlist section, and there is a playlist called HTML course, so you can learn it from there. So guys, let's get started, and I will go to Visual Studio Code and open this one. Just wait for a second. So it is open. So I create a new file named 06 HTML styles dot html. .html is the extension of HTML which is understand by browser. So if you don't understand these things, then go watch my previous lectures in HTML playlist so you can understand these things. So what are the HTML styles? HTML style is basically an attribute which is used to style an HTML element. Like in way like styling for color, background color, font size, font family, text alignment, and etc. So we will do some examples so you can understand easily. So first of all, I give a tag, paragraph tag. As you know, we specified attribute on the starting tag. If you don't know about this, go to my HTML attribute lecture. So here I write style, and the first attribute I use, property I use, color. Color I want to aqua color. Here I write some text like my name is Eva. This is just a dummy text. I copy this one and I paste it here, and let's change some color like red, and change the text. My name is John. Control S, save, and I go to desktop HTML practice file and access this HTML styles file. So as you can see, the first color I give aqua, so my name is Eva, and second I give red, so this text is appear in red. So again, let's try background property, background color property. Here I choose heading, and here I write like this is yellow heading, this is blue heading. So here I give attribute style and give its property like background color, and here I give yellow. After that I go to second heading, start tag, and here I write style, background color, and blue. So control S for save, and let's go to browser and let's see what happens. So as you can see, the first heading background is yellow and the second heading background is blue, which I give in property. So let's have some another example. So I copy paste these two paragraphs and remove these property. Now he have to check the font size property. So I write style, and here I write font size, and I give fonts in pixel like 34 pixels. Okay, and in the next paragraph I write style property, font size, and it is of 42 pixels. Control S, go to browser, and let's check. So as you can see, this is of like 34 pixels, and this is for 42 pixels. Otherwise, in simple paragraph, the size of the text is this. So we can also change the size of the text. Let's check one more thing, which is called text alignment. So I change the first property on text align, and here I write center, and in the second text align, and here I give right. By default the text alignment is on the left sides. Control S for save and open this. So as you can see, the first paragraph is aligned on the center of the page, and the second is on the right side of the page. So this is one more thing. So I think that's have enough for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn HTML. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.